Hi learners, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today you are going to do this one, how to solve this. Well, let us see how to solve this problem. So now what you are going to do, it's given here, if cube root of minus 2744 divided by cube root of 0.008 is x, then we have to find the value of x. So now what will you do first? We'll write this one as it is down, that is cube root of minus 2744 divided by cube root of 0.008. So now let us take the factors of this one first. So what is that going to be? 2744, 2 1s are, 2 3s are, 2 7s are, and 2 2s are. 2 6s are, so 1 remains. This is going to be 2 8s are, again 1 remains, and 2 6s are. Again 2 3s are, 2 4s are, and 2 3s are. So now this doesn't go with 2, neither with 3, 4, 5. This goes with only 7. So now 7 4s are 28, remains is 6. So 7 9s are 63. 7 7s are, and 7 1s are. Now since this is a cube root, what we will do, can you see these are 3 numbers, 2 are 3 times, and 7 also is 3 times. So we can make a group because that is a cube root. So this along with this and this and this one. So this is going to be 14, this is going to be 14, and this is going to be 14. So now what we can write here, this will write here cube root of minus 14, because this is minus, so we are going to write here minus here. Minus 14 into minus 14, we are going to write it 3 times. And for this one, now let us see for 8. This is a smaller number. Now you know 8, the factors of 8 means 2 4s are, 2 2s are, and 2 1s are. Means this 3 times you are going to write this one. But now this is in the decimal. So what are you going to write here? You will write here 0.2 3 times. So because there are after decimal there are 3 numbers. So now what will you do? You will write here cube root of 0.2 into 0.2 into 0.2. So this is the first step what we are going to do. So now what will you do? We will remove the cube root sign. So now here, see here, because if I'm writing here, this is 3 times. So minus 14, this should be, because this is 3 times. So if we write this one, this is 3 times. So when we remove the cube root sign, this should be 1 by 3. Hope you got this one. So same over here. If we are writing here 0.2, and if we write this 3 times, and we want to remove that is the square root sign. So this is going to be 1 by 3. So now what will you do here? This and this gets cancelled. So what remains is minus 14. Again, this and this gets cancelled. So remains is 0.2. So we can also write this vertically as it is easy for the calculation. This is 14 divided by 0.2. So because here the calci is not allowed, so I'll just show you here. This 0.2, we can also write this as 2 by 10. So now see here, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. So whenever we have such fractions, what we do, the numerator we keep as it is, but the denominator we flip over. So now how are you going to write this one? Minus 14, and you're going to flip the denominator, means it is going to be 10 by 2. So 2 1s are, 2 7s are. So what is the answer here? Minus 7 into 10, that is going to be minus 7. So this is the answer. So by this one we have completed today's work. Do like and subscribe to my channel so you get the notification of the other parts. Thank you.